Welcome back students. Students, today we will start with your favorite subject, that is the mathematics. Today we will start with our first chapter, numbers. We will continue with that chapter. In this chapter we had learned about the numbers, their notations. Then we learned about the two-digit number. Here is the 73 is the टू डिजिट नंबर. यस स्टूडेंट्स, टू डिजिट नंबर मतलब जिस नंबर में दो अंक होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, टू डिजिट नंबर. In the second video I had explained about the two digit numbers and their place value, that is ones and the tens. Clear? In number 73, 3 is on ones place and 7 is on the tens place. Same about the number 43. This is also the two digit number. 3 is on the ones place and 4 is on the tens place. After that 55, two digit number. 5 is on the ones place and 5 is on the tens place. In third video we had completed about the place value, and after that we will learn about the expanded form and the standard form. For example, 73, the simple expanded form of the 73 is the 70 plus the 3 is equal to 73. This is called as the expanded form, and this 73 is called as the standard form. Clear? 43, 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 40 plus 3 is called as the expanded form. This 40 plus 3 we can this also expand through the three ways, that is the 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, that is the 43. Again 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, 43, and again 20 plus 20 plus 3 is equal to 43, but this is so lengthy and so simple, that is the 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. This is called as the expanded form and this is called as the standard form. 55, that 50 plus 5 is equal to 55, again expanded form, and this is the standard form. Up to this students we had completed, and also today we will continue with the same chapter, but the topic is the before, between and after number. Now you will tell me that ma'am, we had already completed with this, but students will learn up to numbers from 1 to 50. We learn up to the only number 1 to 50, that number after, before and between. And today we will learn before, between and after number, the numbers above than the 50. Clear? See the first example, 56, number 56, and here after number of 56 is the 57, and the after number of the 57 is the 58. As you know that after number means बाद में आने वाला number. Okay students, that 56, 57 and 58. See these three numbers, 56, 57 and 58. In these three numbers, 56 is called as the before number. Okay, 57 is called as the between number. What? Between number. And 58 is called as the after number. Between means ये दोनों के बीच में आने वाला नंबर. Yes, before number and after number के middle में जो नंबर आता है, middle में, बीच में, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, between number. Before number, between number and after number. Yes, here I wrote 78. Tell me the before number of 78. पहले आने वाला नंबर. Before मतलब पहले आने वाला नंबर. 78. Yes, 77. 77, 78 and 79. Very good students. Here again I take the example of number 98. Tell me the before number. Very good. 97. 97, 98 and the 99. This is called as the after number. This middle number is called as the between number, and this first number is called as the before number. Before, between and the after numbers. Now take one example, that is the 94. Okay, tell me the before number of the 94. 93, 94 and the 95. Clear? Now here I write down the number 76. See students, I keep these two blanks. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill these two blanks. I directly write down in the third blank. Then 76. I write down in the third box. Then you have to write down the before number, between number, and then this is the after number. Then 76. Write down first between number 75 and then 74. Automatically number becomes in the order, that is the 74, 75 and 76. Like this, in your book some examples are there. You have to complete that examples. Number before, between and after. After learning the numbers before, between and after, we will move towards our next topic, that is called as the comparing the numbers. Here we have to compare the two numbers. Here they gave us the two numbers and we have to compare that number by classify them, which number is the greater and which number is the smaller. We will compare numbers by identify them as a smaller and greater. And to show the comparing numbers, which number is the smaller number, which number is the greater number, we use the symbol. What we use? Symbol. And that is this symbol. That is the, here are the two arrows. When these arrows are joined here, this symbol is used for the smaller number. When the arrows are towards, when the arrows are closed, this is show us the smaller number, and when this face of this arrow is open, when the face of this arrow is the open, that shows us the greater number. Okay students, this is shows us the greater number, and this closed towards arrow is show us the smaller number. We will compare the numbers by showing them the greater and the smaller, and to show the number greater and smaller we use the symbol. This symbol, simple symbol, open arrow indicates the greater number and the towards arrow means the close arrow indicates the smaller number. Get students? Now see the examples. 48 and 96. Now only think, in between these two numbers, which number is the smaller number? Yes students, 48 is the smaller number. Then which sign you will use? Closed arrow. You have to use the towards arrow, that is the closed arrow, that you will give the sign like this, that the open arrow towards the 96 means 96 is the greater number than the 48. 48 is the smaller number. That's why we give the sign like this, smaller number closed arrow and the greater number open arrows, that is the 96 is the greater number and 48 is the smaller number. Again 77 and the 19. Think. Very good. Obviously 19 is the smaller number and the 77 is the greater number. Again open arrow towards the 77, that indicates the greater number, and the closed arrow towards the 19, that indicates the smaller number. Third example, 87 and the 78. Here tell me which is the smaller number. Yes, very good. 78 is the smaller number. When you count up to the 1 to 9, while identify the smaller number for the case of the 2-digit number, observe the tens place number. If tens place number is the less, that is the 1, 2, 3, less, then that number is the small number. And number is start with the 8, 7, 9, that are the greater number. Okay, here is the in between 87 and 78, which is the smaller number, 78. So open arrow towards the 87, that 87 indicates that it is the greater number and 78 is the smaller number. Then 93 and the 96. In between these two numbers, only for some digit difference is there, but still there are the one is the greater and one is the smaller. Tell me which is the greater number? Yes, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Yes, 96 is the after number, means it is the greater than the 93. Again, closed arrow towards the 93 and the open arrows towards the 96, because open arrow indicates the greater number. Next example, 81 and 86, same, very less difference in between these two numbers. Obviously 86 is the after number and 81 is comes before, that's why 86 is the greater. Open arrow towards the 86 and close the arrow towards the 81, that is the smaller number and this is the greatest number. 66 and the 69, again very less difference between these two, but the 69 is the greatest number, it comes after, that's why closed arrow towards the 66 and open arrow towards the 69. Then the 99 and the 97, only number in between is left here. Okay, 99 is the greater and 97 is the smaller. Open arrow towards the 99 and close arrow towards the 97. 94 and the 91. 91, 92, 93, 94. 94 comes after than the 91. Keep that things in your mind that after number is always the greater and the before number is always the smaller. Okay, 94 is the greater number here. Open arrow towards 94 and closed arrow towards 91, because 91 is the smaller number and 94 is the greatest number. Clear, students? We learn about the tens ones, expanding form, then the number before, between, after numbers, and then we come to the point that comparing the numbers. We use this symbol to compare the numbers and we say this examples. We had completed up to this. Now it's time to do work at the home. So today's your homework is from your mathematics book, page number 21. You have to solve all the examples which you have on page number 21. You have to complete your work properly. Got? Bye bye.